Okay folks, this is the third part in my series, Windows 10, to let you all know what it looks like. Sorry about the background noise. Got a little bit of noise going on here, but I wanted to at least get this out and show you the first view of the new Internet Explorer is what I promised you last time. So I've got Project Spartan here. It's going to be called Microsoft Edge when it's fully released, and of course it goes to default msn.com. I'm going to show you a couple of its features really quick while we're here. In this top right corner, you can see make a web note. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up a separate bar where you have these features to highlight, put a text box. I'll actually show you what it looks like in action. While I scroll the page down, say for instance I see an interesting news article that I want to see. So I'm like, oh wait, look at this. Oh yeah, there's some stuff in entertainment I want to share. So I go up there and I click on the little highlight button, and I'm going to circle that because I think that's interesting to me. And not too interested in Angelina. Let's just say, favorite canceled shows. That might be something I might be interested in for later. So let's give those a number 1, number 2, and just in case that's a little too hard to read, I'm going to change to a 1 and a 2, and maybe I want to give maybe I want to make a little text box instead. Right here. No, let's open that up right there. So you can select portions, highlight them, make notes as need be. Say I want to add a little text area where I can make notes here. I can add a little notepad drawings into the web page itself, so I can share it with somebody if I'm. And I can save that. I can save that note, and I could even share it with somebody if I wanted to send it to somebody else. Or I'll just exit this mode entirely. But that is the new Project Spartan, as it is called now. I'll close out of that. That's what Project Spartan actually looks like. Actually, I'm going to open that back up again and say I have a couple of applications open and running. So we've got Project Spartan, I've got Google browser, and I want to flip between applications. There's a little button down there. That's called your task view. And you can click on that, and what it does is it opens up windows of everything you've got going, and say I want to look at that first. So it goes to it. I'm done with that. It goes immediately to the next one. I can minimize that again anytime I want. I did promise you a look at the start menu again. Again, the start menu can be resized, changed as needed. You can drag it open. You can scroll down, scroll up. This is your all apps can be found here. Now your power button is down by the start menu. This is build, just so you know. You can't really see it with my background picture, but it is build 10,074. It's been updated since my my last video, so a couple things changed. Since my first update, I have gone through 2 builds. The previous build did not have any sound. I had to actually download the driver for that, so I've got a folder on my desktop with drivers from my computer's manufacturer. But that is the first look at Project Spartan, the internet browser that is going to replace Internet Explorer. From what we've been told so far, Internet Explorer will no longer be supported anymore. But that is a look at Windows 10. For now, that's all we're going to go into. A little bit of look at Project Spartan, a little bit deeper look at the start menu. My following video will show you the new control panel, your settings, desktop settings, what they do with the control panel. Next video. Thank you for joining me for part 3, and now I'll look for part 4 in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day, y'all.